In this Ventra XT video, we're going to be adding a light device to our XT. To do that, we will go to Menu Hotkeys, Control Device Setup, then we will highlight Add Control Device, press Enter, and now we'll scroll through the list to find our light. And there we are, lights. We're going to tap it and highlight it, press Enter, and now we're going to choose which number lighting this is. If you have more than one light section in your barn, you would change that 1, 2, or 3, whatever you have. If you have brood lights versus grow lights or anything along those lines, but in our case we have one set of lights, so it's just number 1. And then if you have multiple zones in your barn, you would choose which zone these lights are in. In our case, it's just zone 1, so Z1. Then we're going to choose the module that these lights are. This is an output device, so that'll be the standard toggle board relay outputs. So that's module 1. We don't have any expansion stations hooked to this XT. It's a standalone unit, so you have no other modules that you would put lights on at this time. So we leave it on module 1. Then the channel that we were wired to, and that is channel 3 in this example. Then press Enter to confirm. And now to finish setting up your lights, Home, Menu Hotkey, Output Devices, and there's your output hotkeys, lights, and now we can choose the remaining options for setting up your light group timers. Now to start with, if you want to put an age ramp in there, you'll just choose that, put an age, enter. You want the lights to come on at a certain time, go off at a certain time, 6 a.m. to 6 a.m. Then if you want to do another, say at day 7 or so, you're going to bring them on at 6, cut them off at, say, 11 a.m., 2300 hours, always in 24-hour time clock or military time. And you just continue that, so on and so on. Now in the event, we have a sort table over here. So in the event that you decided, oh, well, I'd like to add something to my light ramp, for ease, you can just come in here and say age 3, I want to bring the lights on at 6 a.m. and have them go off at 3 a.m. So you can put that in there, and then you hit sort, and it automatically puts them in line of where they need to be based off of age. Now the sort also makes it easy to delete things. So in the event that you want to go through and delete, if anything that is labeled the same on-off time, once you hit sort, it will delete those and just go to the last one. So it's easy to get rid of ones that you don't want to use or you're changing on those. And then your run for would be in the event that, let's say you go in the evening and you need to check on something and your lights are already off. If you want to run them for a little extra time in the morning for some reason, you can come in here and hit run for, and then set your timer for, say, 5 minutes. For some reason you want the lights to come on for just 5 minutes. Well, you can go in there and set that, and then it'll automatically come on for just 5 minutes. And then as you see, it's already starting to count down. After the 5 minutes, this timer will shut back off, and the lights will then begin running on the normal timer setting curve that you already have set in the barn. And that is your light device group on the XT.